Hi, I'm Mark with the Perfect Paver Company. We specialize in restoring the beauty in natural stone paver, driveways, patios, and pool decks. Today I'm at one of our projects and I'm going to show you step by step how we can restore your pavers from looking like this to looking like this. The first step is our unique steam cleaning process. We utilize very hot water and steam to achieve a near perfect level of clean without the use of harsh chemicals or high pressure, which can damage the surface of your paver. Steam is also highly effective at killing mold, mildew, and other types of vegetation. Next, we will focus on cleaning out the joints to remove organic buildup, making it much more difficult for mold and vegetation to germinate. Once everything has had a chance to thoroughly dry out, we'll replace that joint with a product called polymeric sand back into the joints. This sand will harden and lock it into place. This makes cleaning and upkeep of your pavers much easier, and as a result, will help keep weeds away. Lastly, we will apply our color enhancing sealer. Our sealer is fully breathable so that ground moisture can escape back up through the surface. You can expect our sealer to enhance the colors in your pavers, making them look newer. If you would like to make your pavers look newer again, please don't hesitate and call the Perfect Paver Company today.